the early morning, about to go up to SQUAW Peak, and it's about 7.5 miles and 2,700 feet of elevation gain. All right, let's go. So we missed the trail that goes up to the top of SQUAW Peak, so we gotta mildly turn around. It's not that far though, so we gotta go back downhill. Then we're gonna take it the right turn and get on the trail. We just moved here in August of 2021, so we've only been here for about 6 months or so, 5 months. The winter so far is our first winter here. Pretty similar to Ohio's winter, if I'm being honest, other than like the mountains and the snow, obviously. But down in the valley, there's no snow at all right now. It snowed a couple times, I think 3 or 4 times. But so far it's been pretty similar. No negative freezing days yet, but we still have time. It's only January, so there's still time for that. We made it, we're at the top. We're about to head back down. So we made it back. It was about 8 miles and about 3,000 feet of gain. And we're back at the trailhead now, we're really close. So we're gonna sign off here, and remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.